Again, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so our topic for today, instead of you having to demonstrate the cocking, loading, unloading, and reloading, let's have it discussion type first. I will first demo it, and possible, you will likewise do it. So last meeting, we have part of your quiz or your activity is the cocking, loading, and unloading, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, how do you know that this firearm is loaded? Again, how do you know that this firearm is loaded? Can you see it by visually inspecting it visually without touching it? Yes or no? No. But can you see whether or not this firearm was cocked?
Yes.
Or not?
Yes.
How? Through the hammer. So, paano ang itsura ng hammer? Pagka kinasak, yan yung hammer, bumaba. Bumaba yung hammer. Alright? So, this firearm for sure is cocked. We are sure that this is cocked. Now, having this firearm cocked, are we sure that this one is loaded? No, di ba? Because there are possibilities that this firearm is cocked, however, it is not loaded. So, when we say loaded, dapat may laman yung chamber niya. Okay? So, let's try inserting one ammo. Blank ammo. Okay? So, I have it. Now, question. Is this firearm loaded?
Yes.
Loaded because you see, I inserted a magazine with ammunition.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it's loaded?
Yes, sir.
Not yet. Bakit? Kasi kailangan pa natin i-inspect kung nabawasan yung magazine, right?
Yes, sir.
Paano kung nag-insert tayo ng magazine tapos di pala nabawasan yung laman ng magazine? So, i-try natin. Release mag. So, it's empty. Nabawasan. Loaded ba to?
Yes.
Yes. And to make sure, paano natin gagawin? To make sure na loaded.
Check the chamber.
We have to check by sliding slightly backward the slide. How? Ganyan lang. Now, can you see the brass?
Yes. Yes.
The cartridge case?
Yes, sir.
Can you, kita ba?
Yes, sir.
Yan. So, we are now sure that this firearm is
Loaded.
loaded. Okay? So, that's how we check if the firearm is loaded. Caliber 45, 1911. Slightly backwards lang. Kasi pagka pinull backwards natin, ang mangyayari, ano mangyayari? May eject yung load niya. So, yun ang mangyayari. Right? Na-eject na yung load niya. Okay? So, ganito ang mangyayari naman. Pagka naka-insert mag tayo, ubos na yung laman ng magazine. Ganyan. So, magre-reload tayo. All we have to do is insert magazine with ammunition, of course. Ganyan lang. Tapos, ibaba lang natin yung slide. How do we do that? Pwede natin hilain yung slide backwards. That's one option. Or we can just pull this down. The slide release lever. Ganun lang. Kita ba? So yan, loaded na yan. Pagka may bala yung magazine na pinasok natin. But since the magazine is empty, pinasok natin empty, walang load yan. But it is capped. So nakakasa. Ayan. Okay, so try natin ulit. Magpasok ako ng blank ammo sa magazine. I-insert ko yung magazine. Pasa ko. Is this loaded? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet, di ba?
Yes, sir.
The magazine is inserted, but we are not sure if the firearm is loaded. Now, how do we check again if this firearm is loaded? We can check through the magazine or through the chamber. Now, let's try the magazine first. So, the magazine has ammunition in it. Isa lang yung pinasok ko kanina, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, andyan pa rin yung isa. Hindi siya loaded. And to counter check, yan, slide natin backwards, empty. So, means to say, hindi talaga siya loaded. So, yan yung sinasabi natin kung minsan sa mga malfunction na magazine not fully home. So, in that case, how do we this is a malfunction? Dapat, we have to rack the magazine. Ganyan dapat, para fully home siya. Para pag kinasa natin, surely, papasok yung bala sa chamber. Yan. Sure na pumasok na yan. Yan. Walang laman, ulit. Tapos, slide slightly pull backwards. So, kita. Diba? Okay. So, let's discuss decocking. Or always rock 3 times. This firearm is clear, ha? Now, how do you do decocking? How do you do decocking? Diba ang decocking, bababa lang natin yung hammer?
Yes, sir.
So, yung tinuro ko, ihigpit nyo yung kamay nyo dito, di ba? Tapos, slightly pull the trigger. Ganyan. Tapos, slowly na tataas yung hammer. Ganyan dapat. Yan yung proper. Okay? So, decock na siya. Unlike the other one, bakit kailangan natin i-decock? Kasi loaded yung firearm pero hindi pa natin alam kung kailan natin gagamitin. Yung pangit naman, na loaded yung firearm, nakaganyan yung hammer. Diba? Mamaya nalaglag mo pa, pag nalaglag mo to, malamang
Tataas.
sa mga walang grip safety sa mga walang grip safety na 1911-45, malamang puputok yan. Pero dahil may grip safety siya, hindi yan puputok kahit matamaan to. Kasi sulong as hindi nakapress to. Okay? So i-try natin, hindi nakapress. Hindi nakapress, pero hilahin natin to. Ay push natin. Hindi puputok. O kaya ito na lang, hilahin natin yung trigger pero hindi nakapress to. Puputok hindi. Hindi puputok, di ba? Mabigat. Pero, sina difference kita ba dyan? O ganyan na. Hindi puputok kasi hindi siya naka-press. Pero kung i-press natin itong grip, safety, kunwari ganyan, tapos squeeze natin yung trigger, pumutok. Right? So, yan na yun. So, balik tayo sa decocking. Bakit? Ano yung importance ng decocking? Dahil gusto nating mag-load, ready for fire, pero hindi pa natin alam kung kailan tayo puputok. Kaya mag-decock muna tayo. Yan. So loaded na yan, for example. Loaded na yan, decock lang natin. So means to say, may laman yung chamber niya. Pero yung hammer, nakaangat na. O, ngayon, may kalaban. Ano na lang gagawin mo? Kunwari may kalaban, you have to fire back immediately. Ano na lang gagawin mo? Ano na lang kulang? Ano lang kulang? Cut na lang, di ba? So hindi mo pwedeng i-pull yung trigger kaagad. Bakit? Kasi nakababa yung trigger mo. So kailangan mong i-cut. Ganun lang. Ngayon, the problem is, kailangan mo bang ikasa ito? Hindi na. Kakasa ka lang pagka walang laman yung chamber. May laman yung chamber. Ang gagawin mo lang, cut mo lang. Ilayin mo lang to, hammer. Yan. So, with our ammunition, kunwari, meron, pull lang natin yung trigger. Ito. Now, let's talk about the safety mechanism of 1911 caliber 45. In this firearm, how many safety mechanism do we have? Ilan ang safety mechanism ito? Kindly raise your hand. Gusto mang hula, nakakala. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Sige, ikaw na lang. Asan yung tatlo? O nakita nyo na yung isa, di ba? The grip safety. O asan pa yung dalawa na tatlo sinabi mo? Asan pa? Who else? Asan na idea? O ikaw, miss?
Yung nasa gilid yung safety yung dito sa may.
Asan? Ito?
Yung sa may yung lever na nakasama.
Ha? Yung lever? Asan? Ito? 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 Ito mismo?
Tapos yung sakit yung chain ng trigger.
Yung trigger? Yan? Asan dyan?
Yung meron trigger sa trigger.
Sa may trigger? Wala. Wala na. Dalawa lang. In this type of firearm, 1911 caliber 45 pistol, we only have two safety mechanisms. The grip safety, yan. And at the same time, the tab safety. Asan yung tab? Ito lang, di ba? So pagka nakakasa yan, pagka siniti natin, yakit lang natin yan, di ba? Yan, pag nakaangat to, nakita nyo ba? Ito lang, yan, iangat lang natin yan. Yan. Kaya sa tab kasi tab lang gumagalaw. Yan. So pagka nakaganyan yan, nakaangat, yung tab safety natin, kahit nakapress ito, at nakapress yung trigger natin, hindi yan puputok. Pero pagka hinaba nyo, yan, nakakasal, nakaka, tapos nakagrip kayo, nakapress ito ang kulang na lang is pull of the trigger. Puputok yan. Okay? So yan lang yung two safety ng caliber 45. Now, do you have questions about caliber 45? So let's move on with the caliber 45 pistol loading. And hindi, reloading pala kasi tapos na natin yung loading, di ba? Now, we have two types of reloading. Now, the first type is the rapid reloading and the second is the tactical reloading. So what is the difference between rapid reloading and tactical reloading? From the word rapid alone, mabilis, di ba? So kung mabilis yan, mabilis, naka-insert mag tayo, kunwari pumuputok tayo, naubusan ng bala, naubusan ng bala. All you have to do is to release mag, tapos insert U1. Ganun lang. Problema. Masyado balik yung kamay ko. Ganun lang. Di ba? So that's rapid. Hindi mo na titignan kung saan mahuhulog yung magazine mo. That's rapid reload. Compared to your tactical reload, kunwari pumuputok ka, naubusan ka ng bala, ganyan ang sura niya pag naubusan ng bala, right? You have to get your extra magazine from your pouch or pocket, kung saan man. Yan, kunin mo lang yan. Tapos, kunin mo yung isa, isunod mo yung pangalawa. Ganun lang. Mali kasi yung tali dito. Yan. So, ganun lang. Diba? So, tactical. Medyo mabagal siya compared sa rapid. So, ang difference niya, tas yung magazine, yung rapid sa rapid, hindi. Diba? So, pare, rapid. Bumuputok tayo, nabusan ng bala. Gagawin mo lang. Diba? Ganun lang, ang rapid. Okay? So, tactical, ganyan lang. Pero pwede rin natin pabilisan yung pag-tactical reload natin. Sanayin lang natin to. Pag nasanay tayo, medyo mapapabilis. Yun lang. Diba? Pero yung pagtago lang kasi medyo mabagal. Kasi tatago pa yan eh. Kailangan dapat puputok ka dalawang kamay. Yan. Sa sa kamay ko. Okay? Sige, cut mo muna.